Now we are going to start case study question number 25, and this case study question is based on how uh, the organisms reproduces. Okay, reproduce. So let us move toward the context. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of a flower is called pollination. ठीक है, ये जो ट्रांसफर है, this is pollination. It takes place by wind, water, or insect. If the pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma of the same flower, it is known as self-pollination. And if it is transferred from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower, it is called cross pollination. So डायग्राम में देखो, ये जो है यहाँ से यहाँ पे एंथर से स्टिग्मा अपने फ्लावर में ये शिफ्ट हुआ है, मतलब ट्रांसफर हुआ. सो दिस इज एक ही अपने फ्लावर में हुआ तो ये सेल्फ है, और एक फ्लावर से दूसरे फ्लावर में जा रहा है, ट्रांसफर हो रहा है, तो वो क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन हो गया. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस some questions have been framed. So let us go through the questions. Number 1, pollen grains are produced by ovary, ovule, anther, corolla.
Anther.
Very good, anther. Next question. Pollination is the process by which the pollen grains are transferred from dash to the dash. यहाँ पे
Anther to stigma.
यहाँ पे dash to the dash है, ठीक है. Yes, correct answer is anther to stigma. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा correction है, transferred from the dash to the dash. Okay. So the answer is C-bit. Right. Now one more question. An insect pollinated flower is hibiscus, mustard, maize, orchids.
Hibiscus.
No, the correct answer is orchids. Next, stigma of wind pollinated flower is sticky, feathery, plain, dry. Actual में stigma, pardon?
Feathery.
Feathery, correct answer. Stigma is feathery or sticky and found hanging out of petals. Okay, so here the correct answer is feathery. Pollen grains of wind pollinated flowers are number 1, sticky and lightweight. Number 2, lightweight and in a huge quantity. Number 3, lightweight and little quantity. 4th, sticky and huge quantity.
Lightweight and light quantity.
Little quantity. No. See, pollen grains of wind pollinated flowers are produced in large quantities. Okay, to make sure that at least some pollen grains reach the stigma of other flowers. Okay, and successful pollination takes place. As many pollen grains are wasted. These pollen grains are light and hence are easily, light होने की वजह से ही वो because of wind it can easily transfer to the other flower and transfer to the stigma of other flower. So the correct answer is lightweight. Lightweight तो है ये, तभी वो transfer हो रहा है, and in a huge quantity. So B option is the correct one. So this is the explanation. Pollen grains of wind pollinated flower are produced in large quantities to make sure that at least some pollen grains reach the stigmas of other flowers and successful pollination takes place. As many pollen grains are wasted, these pollen grains are light and hence are easily transferred to other flower. So this is the last question of this case study question. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you.